So today we're going to read lots of nonsense poems, and it's titled A Saucepan on His Head and Other Nonsense Poems. They're selected by Myra and Sue Ellis and illustrated by Polly Dunbar. And they are such fun. Shall we start? When I went out for a walk one day. When I went out for a walk one day, my head fell off and rolled away. And when I saw that it was gone, I picked it up and put it on. When I went into the street, someone shouted, "Look at your feet." I looked at them and sadly said, "I've left them both asleep in bed." I went to the pictures tomorrow. I went to the pictures tomorrow. I took a front seat at the back. I fell from the pit to the gallery and broke a front bone in my back. A lady, she gave me some chocolate. I ate it and gave it her back. I phoned for a taxi and walked it, and that's why I never came back. I hope you enjoyed all these poems and look forward to seeing you very soon. Bye-bye.